So we need a dustpan, and lots of dust happening now in the garage, and I can't find the one I had. So I laid out a similar idea to what we have at the school, except this is a little piece of sheet metal that I've got instead of those hefty, burly pans. And you can see that we've got our main pan, and it's 12 inches across, centered up. Now I always find center of my plate, and then I'll either use a framing square or my speed square and square off of one edge. And so I use this front edge as being square, and then I kind of laid everything else based on that. So once I find my center point, then I straddled 6 inches right here and did my foot and my foot. And then these are 1.25 inches right here or so. They go up to about 1.5 inches right here and right here. And then we have this back piece, which is 1.5 inches. And then the handle is just going to be a little triangle that's going to get bent over itself. And so right here, it'll be a little bit of a 3-sided triangle just on the back, so I can kind of scoop my fingers underneath it. And then my thumb will just be right here. And then I can use that with my dust brush. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lightly score everything. It's really, really thin stuff. But we just got to make sure we don't cut all the way through, because that would be bad. All right. All right, so what we're going to do first is we are going to cut out our excess, and we're going to use this as a guide. I did a little relief cut in this little corner right here. It allows the metal to bend up tighter together than if I were to not do that. That's what I was talking about with the relief corner. That's going to help it bend up closer together. Alright, now we're just about done. I just need to finish up the corner on that. I want this to feel a little bit like I've got a tiny bit more rip in there.
And how are you going to weld?
Alright. I think that's it. All I think I need to do now is transfer a line across there because I didn't do that earlier. Only thing left to do now is weld these corners up.
It was just because when you were welding on the other side, it welded on the other side too.
Yeah, it got hot, didn't it?
It's done.
It is done.
So,
I think we're done.